How to sell subscriptions on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can sell some subscriptions into your Shopify store. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to shopify.com, sign in into your store, and you are going to face up here the admin dashboard. Once you are here, don't forget to set up your payment methods and also the shipping fees and also the shipping profiles. Once you have did that, go ahead and add your products because this is a very important step to make sure that everything is going to work well. So now with that set, you're going to see here at the top of the header, we have a search bar at the top. Now we are going to type in here subscription. Then we are going simply to visit the Shopify App Store, and then we're going to see the different options that we have. Now you can get some, as you can see here, really fascinating and also very interesting integrations and also apps like Joy subscription app, RGO subscription app, Shopify subscriptions, and etc. But in my case, I will go ahead with the simplest one, which is Shopify subscriptions, which is an integrated. Normally, it is an integrated, as you can see here, implementation or an app. So we are going simply to open it. This is very interesting because the price of it is going to be a free. So we are going to install it here in the place of open. I have already installed the app, so we are going to click on install instead of open. Then it will open up here the app. You're going to grant the permission to be installed into your store, and here you are going to see your plans, your contracts, and etc. So as you can see here, we have set everything. I have already set up everything from importing the contracts, but they're displaying subscriptions on your store and etc. So I'm going to click on create a plan. Let you see here how we can create a plan. We're going to put here a plan title, a purchase option title, a product. You're going to browse a product and create a subscription for it. For example, this bundle. I'm going to select it and then we are going to offer a discount and a delivery or a delivery on it. For example, we are going to put a subscription on this product and the percentage off for the frequency delivery. Here we are going to put here monthly delivery for once, and here we are going to give a percentage of 10%. Now we are going to click on save and then boom. So that was the first step. As you can see, we're going to visit the subscription. Now the second step is to import your contracts. Then you're going to click on import data and etc. So if you have a CSV file, go ahead and import it or upload it right away. So right there, I'm going to select the subscription again. The third step is to install the widget. Go ahead and click on it. It will open up the Shopify theme editor. And now we are going to enable the subscription panel, which is going to be here under or above the price. So we are going to see here we have it. This is the purchase options. As you can see, the subscription widget added is already added. You can modify here the widget by setting up the title colors, dividers, the body, and the thickness or the thickness, and etc. So we are going to see it. Here it is. We have a one-time purchase and also subscribe and save 15%. And this is it. I have already created one for 15%. You can go ahead and create it less or more, whatever you want. You're going to see here some notification from the app, auto renew, skip or cancel anytime. This is the condition of it. Then you are going to click on save. Boom. Now, the fourth step is going to be allow buyers to manage their subscription by turning on the management of the subscriptions right there. So subscription management, you're going to turn it on. Boom. The last step is to customize the notification. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.